Way back in school, I was so obsessed with getting the best grades. I would cry if I didn't get the perfect score. And I realized later on when I entered the corporate world that no matter how smart you are and no matter how you graduated summa cum laude or valedictorian, if you don't know how to communicate clearly with your teammates, if you don't have the right personality, that you can get along with people who may have different beliefs than you, you will not be able to succeed in life. And how I wish when I was still in school, I should have spent more time in my school orgs, spending more time training myself on how to become a good leader, train myself on how I can join activities that will later on train me on how to manage my finances, how to manage socializing with other people, how to improve my public speaking skills. And so if you happen to be in that position, don't just be obsessed with your grades, be obsessed with your life skills as well.